El Nido Palawan. Do it yourself land tour in El Nido Palawan. Upon arriving in our hotel and have a little rest, we go out and book for the next day island hopping. Island hopping in El Nido Palawan, you cannot do it yourself. You need to book to a registered tour guide and tour group. After booking our island hopping, we proceed to our do-it-yourself land tour. Our first destination in our land tour in El Nido is the Maregmeg Beach. Maregmeg Beach is just 5 minutes walk from the Kuna Hotel where we stay. From Maregmeg Beach, we take a tricycle going to another beach again because El Nido Palawan is almost purely beach. They are surrounded by beach, beautiful beach, beautiful beaches. We are here in Maregmeg Beach. They have many beach, many names they call this beach. But I'm going to call this beach Maregmeg Beach, wherein the 100 years tree is located. The Maregmeg tree is already lying down at the sand but still live and full of leaves.
Mami!
Maregmeg tree is lie in the shoreline of Maregmeg Beach, which is white beach. This tree is protected. Nobody is allowed to climb, even sit on it. If even it looks like good to sit on the tree, you are not allowed to sit or climb and even just stand on it. You are only allowed to take photo at Maregmeg tree. The weather now in Maregmeg Beach
Lingon ka?
is the beach is calm, even it's showering the rain and no sun. Since the weather is good, walking around the shore of Maregmeg Beach is nice. It's not too hot, but a little bit showering the rain. This part of El Nido Island is for elite. There is only one entrance for the beach and all the hotels here. The price of the hotel are expensive. It's just for it's not for budget friendly, but look, even the view is really for elite. It's preserve the nature. Here is the entrance and exit of the beach and all the hotel of the beach. At the same time, the mall, the shopping mall of the area. We take our lunch in McDonald's of the area, and then we take out also and ride the tricycle going back to our hotel. It takes 30 minutes tricycle ride from Maregmeg Beach to the city where our where our accommodation, Kuna Hotel, is located. Our dinner is in C. Jane Restaurant located at Maregmeg Beach, which is 5 minutes walk from the hotel, Kuna Hotel. You choose from the fresh, uncooked. They are going to cook for you 20 to 1 hour waiting time. Going back to our hotel, we pass by malls and some government offices.